Right, okay guys, so here we are. We have a parcel. Now I've been waiting for this because I've had a bit of a spend. I've sold a load of power tools via Facebook Marketplace and things like that. My big Bosch chop saw that was just too big. It was 110 volt, but I absolutely loved it, but I couldn't. It's too big to have in the van and you know take around on site with me, and it was just too big for in here in the end. So I decided to sell it. I was gutted to see it go, but there you go. But with the funds and more added to it from my savings, I had a spree at Workshop Heaven. So, as I said, I want to change to a lot more hand tools, and that's what I've done. I look a bit overexposed. Right, okay guys, so I was completely overexposed then for some reason. But yeah, so I was saying, Workshop Heaven, I've had a big spray, splendid spree. Here's an unboxing. Thank you, Carb, for spending a fortune. So, let's have a look. Yeah, that's the invoice. Okay. Packaging. So here we have honing fluid, that's the stuff for flattening your water stones, your wet stones. Now we're talking. Right, so I spare superfine water stone. $4,000 grit. I purchased the deluxe sharpening set from Workshop Heaven. I thought, what good are good quality, high quality tools if they're not sharp? So I spent out on this bit. 6,000 water stone. $1,000 water stone, wet stone. I spare 220. Okay. What's in this one? It's like Christmas. It's better than Christmas for me. Okay. Some 2H high quality pencils. This is a little Japanese pocket knife that I really wanted. Okay. $375 Japanese hammer. You get in the picture now which way I've gone. 375 rectangle faced hammer, and that one's round. I'll be building up my collection of Japanese stuff. Shinwa protractor number 19, a Shinwa 150mm tri-square, the Shinwa 10-inch sliding bevel. This is so good. Now we get into the good stuff. That's the mat to go with the deluxe sharpening kit, not the mat, the water bowl. That's the mat, the non-slotted mat. Okay. Quang Sheng twin marking gauge. Oh wow. They didn't have any single in stock, but obviously you can use the twin as a single anyway. So that's why I went for it. That seems really good quality. Heavy. Okay, this is a precision square, Shinwa. So I wanted something that I could check all my other equipment against, so really precise. So Shinwa, is this the 150 or the 250? Looks about 250mm. I can't remember what I ordered. I'm sure it's right. Yeah, 250mm. Okay, what we've got here. That's just falling out. Japanese dovetail chisels. Set of 4. Set of 5 actually it was. I cannot remember the names. Yeah, nice. It's amazing seeing stuff in real life, you know, in your hand, in reality, rather than just on screen. I wish there was somewhere where you could go and look at all this stuff before you purchase, but it's just not Workshop Heaven or an online only retailer. I did drive up to it to find that out. So they're the dovetail chisels. Now these will give you a clue. I've got lots to learn, guys. I've never ever used Japanese tools before, so it's new to me. I brought the set, I bought the deluxe set of 5. It's the flush cutting. That's a flush cutting small handsaw. So I'm used to Western saws, they cut on the push, but Japanese saws cut on the pull. So it's going to be a complete new learning curve for me, challenge, which is what I wanted at the end of the day. I needed some passion for what I do back. I'm sick of MDF, so I always love woodwork. You know, it's why I got into it as well. But I need to get some passion back into it. So what we got here? 240 razor saw. That's the bat saw. Okay. More handles. There's 4 handles in total. Like I say, it's a set of 5 5 saws, guys. There you go. So these are 2 saws in one. So each side has different sized teeth. So this is obviously a rip cut and a cross cut on that. This is the side, or I think these are both cross cut, but this side is slightly finer. But you've got essentially 2 saws in one blade there. Yeah, 600 chinois rule, metal ruler for accurate measuring, essential again. Okay, this is the bag for the saws, so you can put all your saws safe in a bag. Okay, and this is the last one, guys. Here, I'll just put this back in there a minute. Run out of room. I'm still revamping the workshop, but obviously trying to actually work in it as well, so it's not the easiest thing to do. It's a state. I've got lots to do still. I need far more storage. I need shelves. I need places to put everything, so everything's just put on the sides and stacked up on top of each other at the minute. But right, last one is a set of 10 Japanese chisels. Again, never used them. All my other chisels are Ashley Isles. So my carving chisels are Ashley Isles, my turning chisels are Ashley Isles. This is going to be a whole new experience. Okay. Oh, look at that. Happy with them. Yeah, wicked. So there you go, guys. I've had a good spend. As you can imagine, this lot cost us a good whack, but they're for life. That's the thing. With hand tools, it's not like power tools. You know, they go in and out, but with your hand tools, you buy high quality. You should only really buy once. They should last a lifetime. And even, in fact, 2, 3, 4 lifetimes. I've got planes here that I've restored, that I'm currently restoring. You know, 70, 80 years old, 100 years old, some of them. So, you know, you're really only borrowing them, just waiting to pass them on to the next person. So there's an old saying, something like that anyway. But there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. I'll do some further videos down the line once I get it unwrapped and see what, you know, some reviews. But yeah, chuffed to bits. Seem so far so good. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe. It really do me a favour, as I want to try and build the channel up a bit. I've got content to come, as you can see in the background. I'm redoing the workshop, etc. So I've got videos of that. So yeah, thanks for getting to the end if you did, and I'll see you later.